We've all been there. You're sitting in a meeting, trying to focus, and suddenly, your stomach makes a noise that could only be described as a ravenous beast. Everyone looks at you and you're left thinking, did my stomach just announce its own hunger to the entire room? The truth is, stomach growls are a normal part of digestion. Your stomach is like a well-trained athlete, contracting to push food along your digestive system. But if there's no food in there, the rumbling just echoes through your insides. Some researchers believe it's your body trying to say, hey, you might want to feed me soon. So, while your stomach's growls can be embarrassing, they're actually just a sign that your body is functioning the way it should. Next time you feel like everyone's staring at you because of that growl, just smile and say, it's not me, it's my stomach getting ahead of the game.